I'm studying environmental studies. This is a joint European master that's offered by the university, Barcelona University, and I had the chance to choose among different universities around Europe. And after checking the different curricula that was offered around Europe, I found out that the best to study environmental studies was Barcelona University. Not only because of the professors, but also because of the practice, the internships I can do here that are really close to what I was looking for. So the opportunities to work and to have an internship are great, at least in the Barcelona area. What I like the most about Barcelona is basically that I can meet people anywhere, that I can go to different places, the forest, the beach, museums, bars, anywhere, all the time. So it's just everything is very close to us. So yeah, I love Barcelona. What I will say to anyone that wants to come to Barcelona is that first of all, you have to make sure that you meet people, because that's the greatest part of Barcelona. You will meet people from all around the world. Secondly, you have to seize the opportunity to study in one of the best places to study environment, law, design, business. Just seize the opportunity that Barcelona offers you every day.